Things are heating up. Tensions are running high. Don't move, or else you're in trouble. Ugh, that look on her face makes you uncomfortable, doesn't it? Jack, it's getting kind of boring around here. It's time for a prank. Go for it, girl. Done. Now this doll isn't so scary. Isn't it great? What are you looking at? We'll get you too. This is going to be fun. Hey you! That's against the rules. Oops, the guard is out of the game. We did it. Hey, what's wrong? We were just kidding. Why go to jail? But it's not that bad. Prison is more fun with your friend around. A friend would follow you to the ends of the earth. Jack and Amanda are now prisoners of the Squid Game. Get the warden. We'll complain. Just don't panic. There must be a way out of any dungeon. Jack, how about a walk down the ventilation shaft? Amanda, you're a genius. Let's do this. I'll go check it out. In the meantime, keep your eyes open. Ugh, there's not so much space in there. How long will it take to crawl? Maybe this is the way out. Oh no, it's occupied. It's better not to disturb the guard right now. He's having a date with his favorite ducks. Let's keep going. What's in here? Oh wow! I wonder what she needs that plank for. What is she up to? It's all clear. Laser drawing. What an unusual hobby. Who would have thought it? The formidable doll has a secret crush. Jack's going to love it. And now I need to go on. It's better not to upset this doll. Wait, this is where it smells like freedom. Let's see what's in this room. It's bright and cozy. Yay! I made it! Oh no. Mission failed. Amanda's back in the cell. Jack, it's over. We're trapped. How long do we have to sit here? Everything in this prison is by the book. The prisoners have to be photographed. Finally. Let me see. Hey, that wasn't the deal. We're redoing it, period. Amanda knows what a proper photo shoot is. Here we go. Feathers and glitter, that's a must for a good photo shoot. That's better. There hasn't been such a photo shoot in this prison before. Let me see. What? Yeah, you're not much of a photographer, man. Oh no, that's awful. Amanda, I think we've been here for too long. I'm going to give us a first-class escape. The coast is clear. The guard has no time for prisoners now. Watch and learn, girl. The lock can't withstand a super kick. Ouch! That hurt. But it worked. Freedom! Well done, Jack. You did it. But the guards don't sleep.
What?
Is there really going to be an escape? Alarm! Just a little more. Push it. That's all we need. The doll comes into play. Amanda, freeze! The main thing is not to move. Otherwise, you can forget about freedom. Oh, yes, she turned away. Amanda, stop! Oops, that was close. But rules are rules. Even the guard follows them. Run! Don't even think about it. You're staying here, buddy. Amanda, we made it. How cool is it to be free? And no more suspicious games? Okay. I wish this dream would never end. Oh no, welcome back to reality. There's no getting out of this prison. Hey buddy, prisoners are allowed to use the bathroom. And hurry up. But you can't fool the guard. No toilet for the prisoners. They can escape. Sooner or later, he'll give up. Come on, guard, please. You're a good man, aren't you? So be it. But no funny business. Understand? In this prison, even going to the bathroom is a real adventure. Jack, look! Another game! There's something wrong with these squares. How do we bypass this obstacle? There's an idea. Trust me on this one, Jack. Done! It's safe here. Let's keep going. Now let's check out the next square. It's obvious this is a trap. Let's go around it. Follow me, Jack. Just be careful. But Jack is so clumsy. He can't play dangerous games. Just hold me, okay? Oh, so many more squares to check.
Huh?
I'll take this one. It's free, Amanda. Jump in. I got your back.
Hey!
Here comes Jack's biggest fan. Wow, he's perfect. Amanda, come on, a little more. Almost there. Toilet, we're close. Somebody help me. We're having a romantic faint here. Oh, those dolls. So sensitive. Another escape plan is ready. The masquerade begins. Complete resemblance to the original. Amanda, he's coming. You're up. Taking positions. This should work. What are you doing here? Have you come to see your prince? Hey, buddy, she doesn't belong here. I demand that the cell be cleared of dolls. We'll fix it now. Where's the key? Oh yeah, the plan worked. What a trusting guard. Hey, you're staying. That's okay. Amanda will save her friend. What do you even see in him? A lecture was all I needed right now, but I have to play my doll part. Wait a minute, no time for that now. Oh no, here comes the original. A little more and the plan will all fail. Why are there two of you? And which one of you is the real one? You or you? Put your glasses on, guard. Here's the real doll. Right. Wait, I need to pull myself together. What do I do with the dolls? Girls, stay here for a while. We'll sort out who's who later. You can't do that. Now it's going to be fun behind bars. And it's time for the guard to rest. I'm already seeing double. Good news, visitors can come to this prison. Hello, Jessica. It's so nice to see you. Did you bring what I asked for? I can't live without makeup. Oh no, the last lipstick was taken. The cruelest prison in the world. Okay, I won't do it again. Jessica, contraband under the table. The best friend understands without speaking. Operation begins. Careful, a little more. Done. The cosmetics are in place. Ugh, that was close. The guard didn't see anything. Now let's hide the valuables under our clothes. Thanks, Jessica. I'll see you around. Get it together, Jack. Look what I got. Wow, those are cookies. There's such a shortage of goodies behind bars. Stop it, Jack. Can't you see those are keys? We're almost out there. Let's get down to business. Time is of the essence. It's not an easy task, but Amanda is pro at this game. The key is already out, and it's so yummy. Oh no, it's all gone.
No.
Don't panic, Amanda. I have a key too. Jack, you're good. Shall we open this door? And the timing is perfect. The guard is resting. Just be careful, Jack. Don't break the key. The doors are open. Let's go. Jack, look. Let's leave him a selfie to remember. Smile. Hashtag prison break. Who's with us? Oh, not a good idea. The guard doesn't like it when his phone is taken. But he will gladly participate in a photo shoot. Oops. And now it's time for the friends to go back to the cell. A little more and it will all work out. Amanda knows how to handle hairpins. But this lock won't work. Oh, here comes the guard. Oh, don't mind me, I'm just hanging around. This parcel seems to be very heavy. There's no way you can do it alone. Hey man, I need your help. Get the keys and open the door. Will do. Here it is, a chance to escape. Oh, I hope Jack doesn't let us down. This one's for you, boy. Thanks for your help. You're welcome, buddy. Jack, what have you done? We have the keys in our hands. You're incorrigible. But Jack has no time to run away now. It's time for sports. Let's go. Jack, I'll never forgive you for this. What a responsible moment. Voting, getting out of jail, or stay. Amanda first. Oh, what a tough choice. It's not bad here, but home is better. What will Jack decide? What a strange ordeal. I just pushed the button, huh? Choose to leave or stay. I'll have to think about it. The food in this prison is not bad. It's fun here. And the doll is pretty good. Yes! Oh, I didn't mean to. I haven't quite thought it through. That's it, boy. The decision can't be reversed. But that's good for some people. See you around, Jack. How could you? It's all your fault, Amanda. I needed a clue. Even formidable guards have their weaknesses. No one can resist this show. Oh, this is so sad. Why are the tissues running out so fast? I have to get a new batch. This is our chance, Amanda. The keys were left unattended.
Okay.
I wish I could reach them, but it doesn't work. But the main thing is not to give up. Now we're going to tie a lasso.
Yes.
Amanda won't mind. Jack, what's going on? Just be quiet, Amanda. Look, we almost have the keys. That's another conversation. You can even have 2 shoelaces. What's next? And now we make a lasso out of a shoelace. Go for it, girl. Yes, the keys are trapped. Pull! Hey, what's up? Looks like we got another escape contender. Give it back! I won't even think about it. The keys are mine. Your turn, Jack. We have to win. He's a worthy opponent, but there are 2 of them. Victory is within our grasp. Amanda, thank my muscles. Jack, you blew it again. Why did I have to go to jail with him? At least someone's free now. Run! Run, run! We'll catch up to you! We're running out of ideas. The prisoners have already tried everything. Is there no way out of this prison?
Huh?
Think,
No.
Jack, think. What if Jack, the doll, is head over heels in love with you? We should take advantage of that. Love is the key to all the locks. I know, I'm perfect. Watch how a professional works. Hey, gorgeous, what's up? The plan is working.
Yeah.
The doll got distracted. This is for you. This handsome man doesn't belong behind bars. You're free, Jack, and now we can be together. The way is open. Let's go. Amanda, run! I've got your back. You see, pretty girl, we're not a couple. But I'll see you very soon. I promise. Love works miracles. Even the most evil dolls have no power over it.